Okay, this is just a quick intro to a couple of shipping manifest reports that I've developed, and it's just easier to do this via video than do a Google Hangout right now. So first of all, if you want to find them while you're in the customer service role here, just type manifest in, and then you'll see one that's a search, latitude manifest report, which is what my screen is on now. And then the other one, and I don't know, you can always right click if you're on a PC or do the same thing if you're on a Mac and open it in a new tab. I've actually got both open right now. So this is a kind of fancy Save Search. I like Save Searches more. And this one here is using the report module. Looks a little bit different. And I've actually done one thing here. I've actually I've used down there, if you look at the options, that report grid. It puts grid lines on it, and you can, it's typically the way it loads, and put a grid line on it. So those are the kind of options. This here is the invoice number here, okay? With reports, you can collapse them. Reports have more formatting possibilities. You can't, unfortunately, group fields in a summary. You just group one field. That's the thing that's a bit limiting about reports. Nice in some respects, but just for working documents, sometimes. So this could work. It's not perfect, but it could work, and we can easily add extra fields to this. It's quite easy to customize reports. Just hit customize here, and you can do that. But anyway, so that's not set in stone. This here took a bit more time doing. It's a bit more complex, but I like it a lot more. And I think, as a kind of working document, I think it's probably the way to go. You can see here we have a grayed out summary line for each invoice. And so it's very clear what you have here. So these are basically all invoices and all dates. And so obviously, I don't know that I have any invoices for tomorrow's date. Let's just have a look here and see whether we do. Tomorrow. So what do we have on tomorrow? Oh, we got a few things. Oh, no, we got nothing. Okay, take it all back. So let's just for the sake of argument, leave the all in there. It's not how you do it. You would actually have it for tomorrow's date, if it was a weekday. But you do need to filter to a location, obviously. So let's just do Cameron Wine Company, okay? So this is a very improbable batch of invoices that you're sending off to Cameron Wine Company. Let's just imagine we're sending that. Well, we would click the email here, and I'm going to send it to myself. But if you have anyone set up as a vendor, which you should do with all your warehouse contacts, you would just type the first few letters of their name, and boom, that would be it. And that's all we need to do. So I'm going to send this, I think I'm going to send it within the message. You can also send it as a PDF, as Excel. Don't do it as Excel. I think you might lose some of this formatting. And CSV, well, that's comma separated. It's an Excel format, but it's not especially useful. I would just send it within the message. And click email. And let's wait and see. Let's go and look at, oh, I see I'm getting some messages here. I should get this forwarded. So that was the warehouse. You then can print this document here. Actually will print quite nicely. So let's do a, well, I don't think I'm actually, can I open PDF and preview? How about that? Let's see if we can get a preview of what it looks like. Okay. Yeah, maybe it's just better to print it because the actual and not do the PDF preview. If you just print it, you'll get these lines here. Again, it's all the same SKU, so it's not very realistic. And at the bottom here, you have a count of invoices. So it's 11 invoices in this batch. And this field here is just for that purpose here. It's a field that I can use to summarize and count. So you have 11 invoices in the batch. Notice also that you have case counts here. These are piece counts. So in some instances where you have one bottle, if you had like 11 bottles and 4 cases here, that would still be 5 pieces. It's intelligent in that way. It can figure out how many pieces are in each invoice. That's it. We can customize this, add more things to it, we can tweak it, but that's what I'm proposing right now. So if you want to dive in, have a look at that, send yourself a few test ones, and just confirm that that works for shipping manifests. Thanks.